weird to me how from like this perspective, it looks like I'm still at Alicia's house. Like it's still the same like room setup, same bed, 3-way walls. It's silly, but I kind of like it. And we are doing much better. I'm feeling a little bit more settled. I'm still a little sad and I'm still going to Alicia's house a lot, but I'm making progress here and it's starting to feel a lot like home and I am living for it. One of my favorite rooms is actually my office, which actually, I don't think I've shown you guys. Here is the updated office. Things are looking real good. I am absolutely just obsessed with this desk and everything about it. It makes me so happy. I ended up bringing my desktop finally out of storage and I have that all set up on that side of the desk. And then over here I have my laptop, of course. I have my bookshelf. I haven't even gotten to fully decorating it, but here is where it is right now. You guys might remember or you should remember, it wasn't that long ago, my clock from my old bedroom and my plant from my old bedroom. I put them in here. I think it just fits better in here. Also, this clock is kind of loud. I know you guys love this clock. It's from Cloudnola, and a lot of you guys have commented saying you want it. I highly recommend. I think it's really cute. I don't think it should be in your bedroom though, because the ticking is loud and it's startling in the middle of the night. I got used to it, but it's loud. So I felt like it looked way better here in the office, made more sense in the office. And then this plant, I think is just gonna do really well with this type of light. It's very indirect and just beautiful for this plant. I'm planning on making this kind of like my paperwork area, podcast shelf, and then all of my books. I ordered some new bookends from Amazon. They're like in the shape of hands and they're black, which I think will pop really well with the white wall behind it. So I'm very excited for that. I'm very excited to like decorate this and get this all situated. I think I'll probably make a reel, like a before and after, because I'm just so obsessed with that. This mirror I got from West Elm. I showed you guys already. It's been moving around my place, but I think I'm really happy with it here. It sounds so silly, but I love that I can take like a cool selfie from my desk into the mirror. There, I said it. I'm not ashamed. And then, fun fact about this painting. I don't think I've actually told any of you guys this, but my boyfriend loves to paint and he loves art and he is very creative and very talented. And that is actually a painting he painted of my neck. Right here. It's like hard to see at first, but then when you look at it longer, you're like, oh, that's a head, that's a neck, those are earrings, got it. And I love it so much, and I obviously didn't have anywhere to really put it at Alicia's house, so I haven't put it up yet because I'm trying to figure out exactly what room to put it in, so maybe you guys can help me with this. Part of me was thinking it would look good like right here to kind of balance off the shelf and the height of the shelf, and since there's nothing here and I can't really put too much here because of this door, I was picturing a piece of art here, whether it's that art or something else. Definitely gonna be putting something up right here. But then also I have this huge wall right here as well, so I could also put it up right there and kind of like hide those outlets. So let me know what you guys think and your thoughts on that. Now, this is probably silly, but if I had to pick one bathroom that I hate the most in this place, even though I love them all, it's mine. It's so awkwardly positioned. The door, when open, blocks the shower, and I can't open my drawers when the door's open, so I have to like fully walk in and close the door. There's also this big gaping corner. There's not as much storage as the other bathrooms, and that's just me being nitpicky. But in order to like try and fix that, I got one of these shelves from Target. I also got my mom this shelf, like when she first moved in, because they desperately needed it at their house also. So I figured I'll just get the same one and put it up in my corner. I'm pretty sure this is like a already fully assembled situation. You just kind of like unfold it. But let's see here. I do see some screws, but I'm pretty sure like for the most part, it's already put together. Oh my God, yes, this is perfect. Yeah, look, it's so easy to put together. This comes up. There it is. Honestly, I think that's gonna fix everything. For reference, here is the bathroom. Like I said, I can't open the drawers with the door open. So I have to like walk in here and fully close the door to get to the shower and to open the drawers. But we also have this huge open corner with nothing in it. Originally, I thought of putting like my fiddle or like a really big plant there. There is this light pendant there in the corner, which is cute. Again, I can always put the plant there instead, or I can put a plant on top of my basket, but we're gonna put this little shelf unit here. It's literally perfect. Well, there she is. I think she looks great. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be putting there. I would love to put like more useful things. I do like the plant there. I think it's gonna thrive right there. But everything else, we'll see. It might eventually hold toilet paper or just more towels. I don't know. But for now, she's up and I'm happy about it. This bowl is a little too big for this salad, but also my regular bowls are too small. So this is what we've got going for us today. But it's working out great. Huh, ladies? I literally love when this happens. I was just vlogging earlier saying that I had ordered bookends and they came. These are bookends in the shape of a hand, so it looks like two hands are holding the books together. Got them on Amazon, very inexpensive, but very chic looking. Oh my God, yes. Just look at how cool these are. I love them so much. I think they're gonna look great. I forget how much they are. Actually, let me double check. Okay, just checked. These are $26.99 off of Amazon. They are so pretty. I'm gonna go put them on my bookshelf right now. Well, I don't know about your guys' tastes, but I think they look incredible. I'm so obsessed with them, highly recommend. For me, the older I get, the more I realize it's all about simplicity, and they're just so simple and so chic, and I love it. And I live for it. Like I said earlier, I'm definitely gonna be making a really cool reel of me decorating this whole bookshelf. So keep your eyes out for that. I am waiting, however, because I am getting a bookshelf for my living room, and a lot of the stuff on the bottom shelf down here is gonna go on that shelf downstairs. So until I get that, I'm gonna wait to fully decorate this and make the reel, but I'm very excited for it. It is a lovely and glorious rainy day today in LA. It is so rare for it to rain like this. I woke up to this like thundering sound. I thought it was the trash truck, but it was actually dumping rain, and it's the first like real rain we've had this season. So I'm not gonna lie, I 1000% skipped the gym, turned on Harry Potter, and like sat down and enjoyed my coffee this morning. And it was unreal and very, very fitting because I had therapy today at 10. So I kind of got to just kind of like sit down and really just be with myself, check in, do a little mental health check-in, and prep myself kind of before going into therapy, which is always so nice. That's not always the case. You know, some days you have specific things you want to talk about and other days you don't. Today I did, and it was just so freaking refreshing to just sit down and vent about anything and everything, and that's what I felt like today was about. And Sarah was incredible and had me kind of like make a whole list of things that I'm grateful for and things that, even though they're tough, are going to be good for me, and how all of these things that I'm venting about are going to be worth it in the end, and little things I can do to make changes. And it was just so good to like tangibly sit down and write it all out. I love therapy. You guys already know that. I'm a big advocate of it. A huge shout out to BetterHelp for always being there for me and for yet again being a sponsor for today's video. If you didn't know, BetterHelp offers licensed therapists, people that are actually trained to sit and listen to you and then give you sound, wise advice. They have over 20,000 plus therapists within their network that gives you access to help that might not be available in your area. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire, which kind of gives them a little bit of an idea of what they're working with, what you're looking for, or if there's an emphasis you're hoping to focus on. Finding the right therapist is kind of like dating, and sometimes there's just not a good connection there, but you need that connection to have a good, productive conversation with your therapist. So one of the things I love about BetterHelp is that if you don't find that connection with your therapist right away, they will let you change therapists at no extra cost because they understand how important it is for you guys to click. So join the 3 million plus people who have taken charge of their mental health with BetterHelp. So do yourself a favor and go to betterhelp.com/Nichole, Nichole, for 10% off your first month of therapy at BetterHelp. I'll have the code and the link in the description box below, but one more time, a huge thank you to BetterHelp for helping us all prioritize our mental health and taking care of ourselves. Okay, if you guys thought we were done building furniture, you are so wrong. I mentioned this before in a vlog earlier, but this is my entryway. Here is my garage door. You come up these stairs. This is my front door. And then you continue this way up these stairs to go to the living room. This area right here is not very big. There's not a lot of room, and there's a lot of things that I carry with myself, like from my car to my place, like my bag. I have the dog's leashes when I take them out for walks. I have coats, jackets, shoes, stuff like that. So I was thinking putting a little shelf and mirror like right here, just a thin one. And I think it's gonna look really chic and really cute. It'll be a good place to like drop my bag and like place my keys, and a good spot to like put my shoes underneath and stuff like that. Okay, let's build it.
You want me to do this?
No, because now I have to prove something to you, because you made it a thing. Get out of here.
You then will have the knowledge that you can do anything that I can do.
That better directions would make this process a lot easier. Okay, so here is the table, guys. I think it's perfect. It looks really good. It fits really well. There's still plenty of room to like move and walk around. And then here is the mirror we're going to be putting above it. So I definitely want it mounted, but I'm gonna need Jackson for that. So just to give you an idea, it's gonna be something like this. That's cute. I like it a lot. I got both of these from Amazon. They were both very cheap, and if you guys want me to do a everything in my apartment that's from Amazon video, let me know, because you'd be surprised. I got a lot. I got a lot.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That was good. Wait, where are you going?
What do you mean where am I going?
We got hooks. We can do them tomorrow.